Get ready for your new favorite salad. My roasted garlic tortellini salad with its secret show-stopping dressing is about to become your go-to. It's vibrant, colorful, and delicious. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about a salad. But not just any salad. We're making my tortellini salad with roasted garlic vinaigrette. Now, what is tortellini? I recently met someone who had never had them before. These are tortellinis. They're a little stuffed pasta, almost in the shape of a hat, and they're usually stuffed with either cheese or meat. Has a very distinctive shape. Now you can get them fresh or frozen or dried. I'm using the fresh ones today. In my large bowl here, I have 16 ounces, 454 grams of cooked tortellini, and I just cooked them per the package direction, just under 5 minutes. Gave them a quick rinse in cold water and allowed them to cool in the fridge. Now you can make these up to a day in advance. Let's add some stuff. We're going to start off with a stalk of celery that I just sliced up. Nice crunch, nice texture. I want a little zing. We're going to get that from some red onion. This is just half of a large red onion that I sliced right in. Black olives are next. 6 ounces, 170 grams of black olives that are sliced. If you don't like the black olives, you can use green ones, you can use Kalamata, whatever you like. Now I want some more freshness and more color. And we're going to get that from grape tomatoes. I have about a pint here of multicolored grape tomatoes that I've just cut in half. Now I want to give the salad a little more body. We're going to get that with salami. This is 4 ounces, 113 grams of dry salami that I just diced up. A little more body, lots of flavor. Provolone. This is 4 ounces, 113 grams of a sharp provolone cheese. And all I did was I crumbled it. This is not the provolone you get from the deli. This is the real stuff. I'm going to give this just a quick little toss. Just to get things going. Now it's time to make the vinaigrette. Now I'm going to use my immersion blender today, but you can use a regular blender, food processor, or you could even do this by hand. I have a beaker here, and we're going to start with the garlic. This is 1 entire head of roasted garlic. Now how did I get roasted garlic? Well, I'll leave you a link to our roasted garlic episode. Right in our beaker. Basil is next, just a half a teaspoon of dried basil. This is one of those cases where you can use dried. It's actually better. I'm going to need some honey to counteract the tartness of the vinegar. This is just 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is what you need to help it emulsify. I'm using an egg yolk, just a single egg yolk. Now, if you object, you could use a teaspoon of Dijon mustard or even a teaspoon of mayonnaise, but I prefer the egg. Vinegar is next. This is just 3 ounces or 90 mils of red wine vinegar. Next up is olive oil. This is 4 ounces, 120 mils of extra virgin olive oil. And of course, some salt and pepper. Here we go. Now, we dress the salad. You want to dress the salad just before you serve it. Otherwise, the vinaigrette will get in, it might separate, so it's best to do it just before. Just like that. And then we'll give it a quick stir. Quick toss gently so everything gets coated. Here we are. Now I went ahead and I plated this because I'm going to be serving this to my family in just a little while. Look how gorgeous this is. Look at the colors and the textures. And I might have made myself a little plate for tasting, and I like a little extra dressing. Let's move this and bring this here. Tortellini, tomato. Oh yeah. This is two tasting. 2-bite tasting. Tortellini is perfectly cooked. Still a little al dente, and it's just soaking up the dressing, which is tart and garlicky and bright. Then you get the other flavors, the crunch of the celery, the sweetness of the tomatoes, the tang of the onions, and then the salami and cheese. Just bring it all together. This is so good, I need to wash it down with a little wine. Today I'm enjoying a Cabernet Franc from one of our favorite Long Island wineries. That's good too. If you like this episode, sign up for our newsletter and get the recipes in your inbox. Then help us grow the channel by hitting the subscribe button, smashing that like button, and hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Now, as I said, I'm going to go serve this to my family. While we enjoy our tortellini salad, I want you to sit back, relax, and watch this video over here. So until next time, cheers.